Not a lettuce, not a celery, but something in between. A lettery. I bet you've never had this vegetable before. Celtuce. Low in calories, high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, this stem veggie can be found in most Asian grocery stores. And today, I'm going to show you 2 ways to enjoy this crisp and crunchy veggie. For the first method, we'll start by removing the tough outer layer with a peeler. These are not fun to chew on and will ruin the dish. Chop it into 3 segments and give them a good wash with cold water. Slice them lengthwise, then lay them out like this, and then we'll slice them into thin strips. The end product should look something like a matchstick. Pair it with some carrots for color and slice them the same way. Then, we'll marinate for 10 minutes with a generous amount of salt. This removes the excess water from the root, which will make it crunchier. 10 minutes later, a decent amount of water should have collected at the bottom of the bowl. Give it another quick rinse in some cold water, and I hope today was an arm day because we're going to give this a squeeze to remove as much water as we can. The more water you get out, the less soggy the dish will be. Once that's done, we'll add a teaspoon of sugar, salt, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a dash of white vinegar. And the Celtuce is ready to be enjoyed, but if you want to take it a step further, we can add some finely sliced scallions and chopped garlic and splash it with a dash of hot oil. There we have it, a crisp, cool salad that is packed with flavor. Perfect as a cold dish for a hot summer day. Moving on to the second method, we'll start by once again removing the tough skin with a peeler. Quick wash, and this time we'll chop these into thin ovals. To do this, just chop the Celtuce at a slight angle. Add oil to a pan, let it get hot, and as soon as we toss in the Celtuce, add a dash of black vinegar. This helps it stay nice and crunchy while adding in another dimension of flavor. Add in some garlic and dried chili peppers for a bit of kick, then saute for a minute. Add in a pinch of sugar, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a pinch of salt and MSG. Stir well, and we're ready to serve. This flavorful and spicy stir fry is the perfect contrast to the cold dish we made earlier. But how do they taste? All right, first up, the cold dish. Oh, that's crunchy. It's really crunchy and really refreshing. Absolutely delicious as a salad, but I think next time I'll add a little bit more salt and maybe even a little bit of ground peppercorns, just to give it a little bit of extra dimension on the flavor. Next up, the stir fry. Oh yeah. There's a reason why every time I make this vegetable, that is my go-to. Absolutely delicious, spicy, has a nice kick, savory, crunchy. It's got everything I like in a vegetable. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. I'm still really new to YouTube, so this is all a learning process for me as well when it comes to filming and editing my videos. If you have any advice when it comes to lighting, when it comes to the cinematography, when it comes to the cooking, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let me know what I can improve on. And I will see you guys next time.